Okay, so the next step in our making our crafted market tote is that we need to sew the top seam of the bag. So the way I want you to do that is, and let me show you in the overhead, the way I want you to do that is you're going to take the top seam of the bag and you're going to fold it over about 1 inch or 1/2 inch, right? You're going to fold it over about 1/2 inch. Okay, so that's about 1/2 inch from the edge of that to the, let me move this so you can see that, from the edge of that to in. So, but I want you to double fold it. And the reason I want you to double fold it is because I don't want this edge to fray. So you're gonna fold it again and you are going to press that, right? You're gonna fold it all the way down and you're going to press that. And you are going to, and there's, you can get little clips and use those along the way, or you can pin this if you need to. But when you fold this halfway, stick a pin in that pin. Pins are harder to use with duck canvas because it's so thick. So when you pin that, you are going to sew a seam right on this edge, about 1/8 of an inch away from the bottom edge. And you're going to do that on both pieces. So when you do that, it will look like this, right? Just a straight seam across. Now, you'll notice, this is the back side of it, you'll notice the straight seam sewn, okay? So once you do that, the next, and you have both of those sewn, the next step, what you're going to do is you are going to cut out your corners. Now, to cut out your corners, you are going to need a ruler. And you are going to need a marking tool. Now I'm going to use this chalk tool. You can use a pencil, you can use a pen actually. And you are going to mark a 3 by 3 inch square. So you're just going to take your ruler to the corner, measure out 3 by 3 inches, and you're going to mark that corner. And the reason I use this chalk or a pencil is it's not going to show. I would do it on the inside. You can do it on the outside because chalk it'll go away. But you're going to do that on all 4 corners, right? So we've marked all 4 corners. And then you are going to just take your time, but you are going to cut out all 4 corners, right? I think it's easier to cut it like this. So, and then I'm just going to turn it and I'm going to cut on that line. Right? Super easy to do. And don't try to cut too many threads past that corner mark though. You want it pretty tight, right? So you're just cutting out that corner and that's all you're going to do right there. Okay? So we're going to do that and then come back and we'll do the next step.